So the next job is to put the paper gasket in. These don't actually apparently offer much use as a gasket. There's 3 holes here. I'm going to match them up with the 3 holes on the bearing. So they don't offer much use as an actual seal, but apparently I do need them. Oh, it's a bit tight, that. That is a little bit tight. Right, I'm going to just see. I might need to pop that in a little bit of water just to make it bigger. So that's another little tip from John Twist. Just put the gasket in a little bit of water for a few moments and it just swells up enough and clears the studs. So that doesn't offer any use as a sealant anymore, but it's needed to just provide a little bit of packing between the half shaft and the hub. So that's in there, and presumably it'll all just squash down flat. So then the spacer for the disc wheel half shaft goes in there, and then we have a rubber O-ring, and I believe these are now standardised parts. It goes in around that spacer. I'm not sure if that needs a little bit of grease. I haven't come across anything that says it needs a bit of grease. That sits in there, so that forms the seal, and then the half shaft slides in there. So again, the half shaft has got the 3 holes, so that needs to go in there. And then that's not going in there yet. There we go. Why is that not going on there? Maybe it just needs to clear those studs. So that was my usual problem, having sprayed the half shafts. A little bit of paint got on the inside where the stud runs out, but I've just filed that out and it's pushed on there really nicely. So that gasket's there to make up the gap, and the last thing is putting the screw in that holds the half shaft. Now I need those for the drum brake, so I put in the recess screw. This was actually the one that came off the wire wheels, so I'm guessing logically that would be the one to put back, and having just gently tap and guide that hole. Yeah, that's winding in all right there. I'll just give that, I'll just nip that one up, and I'm hoping that that's done. It's all turning, so I'm hoping that is all done. Next job on this side will be putting all the brakes back, but I'm going to do the same job on the other side first.